Yeah. Maybe it's wrapped up in this. Oh, yep. After setting up camp, we went for a walk down to the river, had a look down there, then just chilled by the camp and listened to the koalas and yeah, enjoyed the afternoon. Unfortunately for us, we couldn't have a campfire as Victoria's fighting some pretty big bushfires at the minute.
To burn across Victoria. In Ruffy, the trees and land continue to smoulder, indicating the danger is not over.
Pretty sad because everyone else, there's members of my brigade that lost houses and countless other people, not just this community, it's not just us.
What's the plan long term?
Same as today, see what happens tomorrow.
And being in the bush, with it being so dry, you can see why it's a problem. But yeah, it's just one of those things. We're happy to cop it on the chin and enjoy this nice spot that we found. Just going for a little walk along the river. Now I'm out of breath. John was having a sleep in the swag, so I thought I'd go for a quick walk. I can't believe how quiet it is. You can hear the trucks in the distance, but other than that, dead quiet. Oh, look at this. Hey, one big tree. The river's just down there. We'll go around the other side and have a look. Might go for a swim, it's warm enough.